Yogi clan, good morning. It is Sunday, 8 o'clock in the morning. I just got done letting the dogs out, and I will say for the 40 years, 40? God, I need some coffee. For the 48, almost 49 years I've lived on this planet, I've seen some really weird stuff. I'm sure you have too. God has made some really amazing creatures in this world. Some that harm people, some that don't harm people. Some that are predators, some that are prey. And here at Yogi Cycle Service, sometimes we do things Yogi related. And I saw the weirdest crap this week. I have never seen this before, ever, until this week. And now I got two of them within 2 feet of each other on the driveway. And when you see this crap on the driveway, it kind of freaks you out. Let me show you what I'm talking about. You're gonna trip. It's the funniest thing. There's one right there. There's one right there. Let's look a little closer. The hell is that? Look at the size of that sucker. He's got a freaking hammerhead. Let's go over here. And do. A little head. That's gross. I wear a size 13 shoe. There's comparison. That sucker about a foot long. Now I will say this. They are slimy, like a slug. And I really don't want them around. Because from what I understand, they kill earthworms. I wonder if the birds eat them. Long story short, I discovered them this week. Supposedly they're called the hammerhead worm. If you Google hammerhead worm. And they're a predator to worms. I like earthworms, but dude, I'm seeing them freaking everywhere. Everywhere. All right. There's here on the truck. Grab a pinch of salt. Let's see what happens. Oh yeah, shriveling up. Doesn't like that. They seem more like a slug than a worm. Let's see if we can find another one. Try this salt experiment. Here's a slime trail. Is there a worm that goes with it? I hate these things. And they're like coming out everywhere. That's 2. The leaves are falling down. It rained. So it makes it like damp. And I guess they're slimy. They like the dampness. What's up, Levi? Want to say hello to everybody? No? Okay. I come out at night because I've seen them in the past couple mornings. The first morning I saw it, I'm like, oh, that's an interesting looking little worm. What is that? And I bent over to look at it, and I saw it had like a hammerhead. What the heck is that? That is freaky. And why is that freakiness in my driveway? Oh, look, there's another. Why is that? What? I'm infested with freakiness. After all, what would you expect at the Yogi clan? Trying to see if we can find one more so we can do the salt experiment on it. Because I really don't want these things around. But yeah, when you like squish them, they must be like really made of liquid because they like vaporize when you squish them. They like disappear. They are slimy. I wouldn't cut them in half because if it's the same deal as earthworms, they become 2 worms. So let's go back to the salt experiment. Already salted the half of that one. Oh yeah, he's toast. Here, look. He squirmed. Salt works. He just dried right up. So I think that's how we'll kill them going forward. Oh, there's another one. He's a big one too. He's under the car. Let's go. Maybe I should get the keys and back the car up. Because I don't really want to crawl under the car with it. Disgusting. Hey, Grayson. Want to see the most disgusting thing in the world? Okay, watch the dogs. I need to back the car up. Yeah, but they're... It's a cross between a worm and a slug. No, they eat earthworms. They're predators.
Oh, kill it.
They eat good little earthworms that help our soil.
Whoa,
And
you're gonna torture it with salt?
that's the best way to kill them.
That's the torture method.
Well, here, hold the jar.
I'm not holding the acid for the worm. Oh, rip my guy. I'm sorry. He felt that one.
Yeah, they're an invasive species from what I've researched online.
Let's give him a little more.
I'll rip my little guy, poor little guy. Hey, let's give him a little more for good luck. So from what I understand, they're an invasive species that came from China. Dang. So not only do we have the Rona, we have hammerhead worms now. I've never seen them either until this week, and now suddenly they're freaking everywhere. It's the third one I've killed today. Oh. I know, we're like infested. I mean, I really hate to kill them, but they're not native to this area. They're, I don't know what they call it, invasive or introduced, or I don't know what the correct terminology is that I read on Google, but they're not from this area. And they kill earthworm populations. Now, from what I understand, for regular residents like this, probably won't do that much damage to the earthworm population around here, but for like earthworm colonies, like if you have, for example, a compost pile that you've introduced earthworms to help you compost, if they get in there, they will wipe them all out. So I don't have a compost pile. I just don't really want the disgusting things around my house. Pure and simple. Don't want them around my house. So I was kind of freaked out because they're kind of freaking gross. So I thought I'd show you what's invading the Yogi clan. And that one over there, he's dead too. The salt works. And that way you don't get them squished to the bottom of your shoe. Sorry for the graphic content. The murder on the set. Rest in peace, little wormy. Peace, Yogi clan.